My HelloFresh box is here. So it comes like this. We got the seared steak with demi reduction, salsa verde pork tacos, and cherry balsamic chicken. And it also comes with these recipe cards with the instructions on the back, which are really easy to follow. I'm gonna make the tacos today, so let's get started. Everything comes pre-measured with step-by-step ingredients, so I'm hoping I don't mess this up. Every now and then it's nice not having to think about what I'm gonna eat or go to the grocery store, so this is very nice and super convenient. Most of the recipes take about 20-30 minutes or so it's really easy. First of all, I can't believe I made this, and second, it was so easy and so fast.
Go to HelloFresh.com and use code YT16 for 16 free meals plus 3 surprise gifts.